that's really beautiful.
Now we just let it cool. And we got to put the refrigerator
Yeah, for
in a container.
2 or 3 days.
2 or 3 days.
Yeah.
That lets the outside get more moist.
今天不上班，所以在家里和老公一起做月饼，因为中秋节快到了。
Okay, we're gonna try one. I hope it's good. Oh, it don't fall apart.
Wow, really not bad.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really, I feel
Okay, now you gotta taste it.
so happy. Wow.
Good? Sweet?
You should try. No, not sweet.
Oh, you were worried it was gonna
That-
be too sweet.
Yeah,
Because all
but
the honey.
not sweet. Really good. I'd be so happy for that. See, everything you see very clear. But need cut next time. Need cut more small. Okay, honey for me.
150 gram. We're making the crust for mooncakes right now.
再放一点清油，然后是碱水20克，
20 grams of lye water.
再加一点盐，
2 grams salt. Take this off.
然后就把它搅拌在一起 ，mix up， 把它搅拌成这样就可以了。
300 grams of bread flour.
OK，
Add the flour to the honey mixture and blend.
To like 1 hour, right?
Yeah, we have to cover it with plastic, and you flatten it out in the bottom of the bowl, and you just cover it for 1 hour and just put.
这是月饼炫的所有的材料，这个是葵花籽、花生、核桃仁儿，这个是松子，这是黑白芝麻，这是南瓜籽。
Okay. We have we got 80 grams of sunflower seeds, 90 grams of peanuts, 90 grams of walnuts, pine nuts 80 grams, white and black sesame seeds 40 grams each, and pumpkin seeds 80 grams.
Yeah.
We're going to have to cook the raw nuts.
Which one is raw?
The raw is going to be the pine nuts and the peanuts
Okay.
and the walnuts in the oven for 300 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes.
Okay, awesome.
Place them in a cookie sheet on parchment paper, spread them out evenly. We'll set the oven for 300. Put them in the oven cold. And we only bake them for 12 to 15 minutes. 150.
150 150克的糯米粉，然后把它倒在锅里炒熟，用小火慢慢的炒。
Very good. Just a Chinese something. Use 80 grams.
Is that 80 20克？哦，23啊。
No, 80. I need to go 80.
Oh, 80. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
Bosher.
Okay.
So we don't have to go yet.
Okay.
We need more honey. 60 G's of honey. And 40 grams of oil.
然后是清油，就是没有味道的油。How much?
40.
40克。然后再给一点香油，
Then 20 of sesame seed oil.
香油是20克。然后是糖，How much 糖
50 grams of white sugar.
？50克。然后 next，就把它搅拌在一起，融在一块儿就好了。 else?
Well, we just gotta mix that all up. Now we got 120 grams of dried pineapple and dried peach, 60 grams. We need to cut them up in small pieces and add that to our fruit filling. Cut them up into small, tiny pieces. Chop, 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 chop. Sprinkle just a little bit of water, make it moist, so they stick together.
This one. Oh, nice.
49, okay.
Just give a little bit.
Yeah.
50克一个，50克一个，这个 recipe 就做出了20个。Yep.
Okay. Making them what, 25 G's, 25 grams?
Yes. 今天在制作的过程中才发现有2个错误。第一个是我用的蜂蜜是用的生的蜂蜜，这是个错误。下次要改一个真正的正常的蜂蜜。然后呢，第2个错误是我的那些杏仁之类的，我要把它切得更碎一些，颗粒太大了，然后粘黏度会不好。所以今天我们本来是一共50克的馅儿，后来必须把它减半，用成了25克的馅儿，25克的皮，再用25克的馅儿，然后做的月饼也比较小，因为这个皮子太干了，它一剥呢，一用力它就破，所以没办法做成成型，所以这是要改进的。
We made a couple mistakes in our recipe. In making the crust dough, we used raw honey. We should use processed honey, which made our crust dough, it wasn't real smooth and creamy. We finally finished. And next in our filling recipe, we used raw peanuts and walnuts. Next time we should buy stuff that's already baked. And if you do have to bake anything, chop it up real fine before you put it in the oven. It will blend a lot easier.
25, another 5 minutes.
Another 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
last time more better. Okay.
Now we gotta.
3 times.
We cook 5 more minutes.
Yeah. 第3次再刷上蛋清。
Ooh.
Yeah, just once, little bit.
Yeah, well, that's. Okay.
Okay, last time, right?
Yep, go back in for another 5 to 10 minutes. I think we'll just go 5 minutes, and then this will be it.
Okay.
Wow.
That's really beautiful.
Very golden brown.
Surprised me. Really,
And that was just 5. We only cook it 5 minutes each time. Okay, now we're just gonna let them cool down, and we're gonna put them in the container here. Put them in the fridge for 2-3 days, and then we can enjoy. But I want to give a shout out to Mike and Chris back up in Minnesota, and we love you. We miss you. We hope everything's going well with your new home. We know God's looking out for you, and He'll watch over you and your family.
And this is for you guys.
Yeah, we saved some, maybe.
I don't know.
Or we sent to you. I don't know.
We can send.
But anyhow, say hi to Jonah and give Mary a hug for us and a pat on the top of her head. And anyhow, we love you. God bless you. Now we put it in the refrigerator. Right?